We're gonna be checking out the new Easter thing update as well. So let's go run over to our flight. Start boarding the flight. So I already asked the Easter Bunny, and I still want to show you another. I got a new plane as well, but like it doesn't really, not really important. What's here today? Fly to New York and hello HR. Sex fest, yeah. Check in, okay. We can all do that at once. And let's put this here. Close the doors.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight.
Oh,
We're
look,
expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
We have not too much time. Let's go. Let's go, people. Let's go. Skip taxi.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Go, go, go. Well, let's go. Too loud. Up we go. Oops. Dubai, here we go. Also, I want to show you guys the new update with the PA phone, which goes on the TV as well. So it's more realistic with thing. What else was there in the new update? I can't remember all the stuff in the new update.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service
I'll show
shortly.
you this when I
Sit
get
back,
to
relax, and enjoy the
757
flight.
and more. So I'll show you that all after this. And I'm also doing easy mode because we need to go fast. Z, let's go Z. Muffin. Croissant. Bagel. Energy bar. Muffin. Chicken. Popcorn. That's it. Oh no, this guy keeps on yapping. Tacos. X. Let's go back. Ginger ale. Hot chocolate. Coffee. Taro boba. Coffee. Pepsi. And lemonade. Alright, so guys, we're going to be
This is your captain
look
from the
out
flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Yep. Tell me which kid. Yep. I'm lagging.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Oh, come on. Do you want me to embarrass you? Yeah, guys, everybody, to be embarrassed with this woman. Dang it, I need to be quick. Also, be on the lookout for a Minecraft video about the MTR mod. I'll be making another video later. Let's land this puppy. Ladies and gentlemen, Please stay seated while we park the aircraft. As we seatbelt sign isn't on. Ooh, got it? Ooh, as we park. As we will be having the police with us. Thank you for your cooperation. Skip taxi. Oh crap. Oopsies. Yeah, this is my first flight to Dubai. It's one of the most. I'll be flying again to maybe later in the up video, but this has to be like. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please stay seated while the police are coming in. Thank you. Welcome to Dubai. Thank you. Find the 10 Easter eggs are hidden around. Now you may leave the flight. Thank you for flying with Qantas. Also, I got new merch. It's a bit blurry now, but it's merch. Now let's find these Easter eggs. Let's find them. Hmm. Can I go through here? No. Oh, there. Oh, they're kind of obvious. Not really too obvious. I knew there would be one here. I think they will be going upstairs, more upstairs. Two arrivals. Oh, this is customs. Hey, customs, how are you? Oh, there's one up there. I don't have time to wait in line, so excuse me. Yeah, I'll give you my passport after. Thank you. Yay! Another one. Grab, 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 grab. No, thank you. This. Okay. Let's look around. Oh, there's a shiny one over there. Egg 4. Oh, arrivals. Welcome to arrivals. Thank you. There it is. Let's start like our flight going back. Oh, it's gonna be a full flight. Yay. Excuse me. Done. Perfect. Oh, outside. Do you think it's at the hotel as well? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, what's in there? Maybe it's in this. Stop boarding. Oh, I have to go in here. Oh god, it's snakes. Gah. 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 Ow. Run. Uh-oh. Ow. 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 Run.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride
That's
today, so the
scary.
seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
How many eggs do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 3 more. Yeah, do you have any eggs? I don't think there are any eggs here, but it would be a good, like, chance. 1, 2. No, let's go. Keep on going. Ben, I have 46 minutes. Wow, this was actually easy. But I do agree with this. I don't hope that there's... unless there's a really hard one. But, come on, let's go. Run! Run! Well, it's a bit too bright, dude, guys. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, run. I think this airport we need the thing. Excuse me, sorry. I have eggs on me. Thank you. I haven't checked upstairs, so that's a good, there's a very good chance. No entry. 1/10. Ooh. Any eggs? It's a good place to hide eggs. Eggs. I'm not going on my flight yet. This feels a bit easy. A bit too easy. What's it up there? How do I get up there? So I'm gonna have to beep boop. This is egg 2. Another one. Oh, there. Last one, I think. Yeah, this looks... Oh. Well, I hope this video gets a lot of views because this video will help you find where these eggs are. But I never actually watched the video, so I actually did this is the first time I actually did it myself. Wow, you collected them all 10. Yeah, I already did. Go, go, go. Where's gate 10? Gate 10. Locate flight. There. Run. Why does it feel like it was supposed to be harder? Because we got 42 minutes. Anyways, let's go. Where am I going? There, gate 10. I see the blue light. Okay, let's go. And then we'll come back here again with my 767 and we'll see what else delayed. I'm very sorry, people. But come on, let's go. Gate 10. Dubai looks cool. Let me just take a photo. Perfect. Yeah, start the flight. Start the flight now. I'm sorry, you guys couldn't have done all these yourself. Why do you like that? Skip taxiway. Take off.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Go now. Take off. Goodbye, Dubai. Oops. Perfect. Now let's go fly in the sky. Boop. Alright, let's do this.
Now we request your full attention to flight attendants.
Oopsie.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Alright, lemonade. Hot chocolate. Apple
Ladies
juice.
and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is safely fastened. Thank you.
Ginger ale. apple juice, orange juice, hot cocoa, ginger ale, lemonade, coffee. These two are flying alone. No, that's ginger ale, so my bad. And oh god, I knew it. Alright, I'll give you the carrot. I'll give it back to you, Larry. No, Larry, I gave you that carrot. Larry, calm down. Larry, calm down. Bad, Larry. Now what do I do? I mean, I did give it to him. Oh no, he's mad. Larry, I gave you the carrot. Now calm down. Yay! You don't have W
For the flight
Riz.
deck, we have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and
I
we
knew
hope to
it.
see you again soon.
Well, I don't have to do the foods now. Sorry guys, you're going to be hungry for the whole flight, so. I mean, we're not even flying for 5 hours. Not like we're going to the Philippines or something. From Australia to the Philippines it takes, or from San Francisco, or like from New York to some.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Hey, there's not even enough leg room. That was not very nice. There. What are you looking at, huh? Are you texting someone? Oh wait, we're landing. Yay. Oopsies. Let's make this fast. Oh, is this gonna be is this gonna be a smooth one? Is this gonna be smooth? Let's watch. Oh, butter. Oh, that was butter. Now, how long do we have left? 36 minutes. What gate are we going to? Because it always takes 5 hours to. It's probably over there. No, it's over. Yeah, it's gonna be fast. Water salute time. I forgot that was my first flight to Dubai, so that's sad. Hey, are we on time? No, we're definitely gonna be delayed. We're 100% delayed. 11:58. So you guys have been waiting for. Yeah, that's a long time. Oh my god, they've been waiting for 5 hours. Sorry. Look for a glass panel. Oh look, the lounge. Going down. Oh yeah, there's this gate. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Wow, it's so dark in here. Where's my flame? I think that's it right there. Yay! Woohoo! Now, time to make this bright. Oh. Everybody, it's orange. Lava, chicken. Steve's lava chicken, now that's tasty as hell. Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing a bell. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Man, why does the developers want us to go all around? And here we go. Here we go, 3. Yeah. Yeah. Water. Yo, getting wet. Ooh, yeah, water. Now it's time. Ooh, it's lava. Anyways, happy Easter, everybody, even though it's not even Easter anymore. But still. Yo, smooth landing, boys and girls. Captain. Come on, keep it going. Full capacity. Clear flight wherever. I think the back was empty. But doesn't matter. Anyway, yeah. We're gonna go give the Easter Bunny his eggs. And then I might end the video here. Yeah. Hey, there's no customs. Well, at least we're in America. America. Yay. $10,000. Yay. Woohoo. That was easy. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Have an amazing day. Peace out.